Welcome to EduX. Today we are going to see about the key to a successful career. Adults are always in front of us. These adults may be within us or in the working place. Shyness kills the success of any person. It makes you always being subdued to others. This indirectly brings in negative thoughts in our minds. Shyness is one of the major hurdles in our success. So first come out of your shyness. The second one is awkwardness. We know how to start but we don't know how to finish. This will make a bad impression on you. For every story, the climax is important. So before start any work, chart out a good plan for the complete process. The third one is inarticulateness, the inability to express views, opinion in a gathering or in other places. These three hurdles pull us back in our career, so you have to overcome it. Secondly, hurdles in our workplace. The major complaint what we make frequently about working place is poor or bad working conditions. But remember, people are productive when conditions are bad. A proverb says, it is a poor workman who blames his tools. The good workman gets on with the job with what he has got and gives the best answer he can. You are seeing a picture called Raman spectrograph. This spectrograph was used by Sir C.V. Raman in 1928 to record his first spectrum, which helped him to get the Nobel Prize. If you see the present-day Raman spectrograph, it is highly sophisticated with technology. But this crooked spectrograph earned a Nobel Prize and not the new generation one. So it all depends on your workmanship, knowledge and productivity. Knowledge and productivity are like compound interest. The more you know, you learn. The more you learn, you do. The more you do, the more the opportunity. Simply, more you know, more you grow. The three parameters which decides your success in the career are hard work, unambiguity, and commitment. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. If your work is steadily and intelligently applied, then it will take you surprisingly far. But be careful to put your work in a sensible way. Unambiguity brings in determination. Winners are ordinary people with extraordinary determination. If you are always ambiguous, then there is no success. If you doubt too much, you will never start your work. At the same time, if you believe too much, you will never notice your flaws. So maintain a lovely balance. Commitment is a mixture of many things. If you are committed, then your dreams come true. If you are committed, then things you want to see happens. If you are committed, then you become creative. If you are committed, then your subconscious mind has nothing to do but work on your problem. This is the quote of Martin Luther King Jr. If you are called to be a street sweeper, you should sweep streets as Michelangelo painted and Beethoven composed music. This is the ultimate stage of hard work, determination, and commitment. If you have all these parameters, definitely you are going to succeed in your career. If this does not happen today, one day it will happen because Failures can be reached immediately, and success takes time to reach. To restart, press Ctrl Alt Delete. This is computer language. For success, the language is to have a controlled mind, find alternate ways, delete unwanted. How to start? Identify your strengths. Convert your weaknesses into strengths. Always explore opportunities to build your skills. Have a collaboration with experts in your field. Improve your spoken and writing skills. Always deliver quality work. Be a leader and a mentor. Thank you for watching and please comment, share and subscribe our channel.